episode of Page 3 is going to blow you away because कहीं अपने tantrum से stars देते हैं लोगों को hard blow, तो कहीं stories of prostitution in B-Town कर देंगी आपका mind blow. I'm your host Urvashi, and you know what? We're about to take you into the mad, bad, shocking world where heroes and heroines can both do things other than acting for money. यानी कि allegations about prostitution in Bollywood. Bollywood and prostitution का क्या है common connection? Well, they are both an obsession. और जहाँ Bollywood है obsessed with prostitutes and other similar subjects, वही यहाँ पर है B-Town का एक dark and murky secret. Many struggling actresses and even established heroes and heroines engage करते हैं in this dirty business of prostitution. वैसे तो Bollywood prostitutes are often shown in a good light, but in real life कई heroines करती हैं बड़े-बड़े businessmen को entertain all for a big price for a whole night. और जो नहीं कर सकते afford the real heroines who may be on sale for a high price, तो वो फिर settle करते हैं for less. B-Town में कई ऐसे agents हैं जो available heroines की photographs से भरे briefcase लेकर घूमते हैं among elite circles. Those who are rich can get a top heroine for ₹1 crore a night, and those with lower entertainment budgets can pay 1 lakh and get her look alike. अब शॉकिंग स्कैंडल को कौन कर सकता है brilliantly handle? Only Simi Chandok, our Page 3 and Bollywood expert, right here on Party Shadi. तो फिर देर किस बात की? Let's get all the dark and dirty secrets. Welcome to the show, Simi.
Hi, Roshi.
Well, हमने सुना तो बहुत है about certain actors and actresses indulging in prostitution, लेकिन कोई discuss तो नहीं करता है.
Urvashi, कौन discuss करेगा? You know, the actors who are indulging in prostitution and they're going and doing all these shady deals and these shady things with the high-profile clients, or do you think it's the glamour-struck, rich, married man who's probably just, you know, getting his chaska of glamour and, you know, a good time, who's going to come out and say, I did it? So obviously none of them want to say it.
But why do they do it? After all, they're risking their reputation.
I don't know about the married men. They'll probably get caught and only be a wife and she'll take them back. So it doesn't matter to them and you cannot stop them. But as far as the, you know, Bollywood stars are concerned, Urvashi, एक बात तो तय है कि Bollywood में casting couch is a bitter reality which exists. So maybe not all heroines. So a lot of top heroines for a lot of prestigious projects, उन्हें अक्सर compromise करना पड़ता है और वे willingly करती हैं. So at any given point, if it's a big movie, I'm not saying all movies are made like that. I'm not saying all heroines are like that, but there's a lot of this that goes on in Bollywood. इस हकीकत को कोई deny नहीं कर सकता है. So you know, जब films नहीं आ रही हैं, lifestyle महंगा हो चुका है, वो maintain करना है. तो it's like ठीक है, 6 आदमियों को तो झेल चुकी हूँ, चलो one more, and that's how it probably starts. And then you know, they keep getting money. You know, it's very easy money. Or at least so it seems to us. So I think that's how it starts, and then the need for money just keeps growing because they need to pay their home loans, they need to dress up well, they need to look good, they need money for all their cosmetic surgeries and everything. So I think it's just compulsion and becomes a habit, and if they've done it with like maybe 100 men already for movies or whatever, it's like, okay, a few hundred more men, you know, it doesn't matter. That's what I feel.
So it's actors and actresses, both.
Oh well, nowadays we're living in a very dostana kind of world, you know. तो आजकल याराना का ज़माना रहा नहीं है. It's all dostana, and there are many samlangics today around, you know. So it's not just that there's a demand only for heroines. हमारे heroes को भी कई आदमी चाहते हैं, and of course there are rumors. There are so many heroes who at one time were doing well, and they're still young. And I don't want to take any names about this, obviously, but today they don't have movies, but अब घर ले लिया है तो उसकी payment करनी है, and of course they need the money. And there are so many incidents when you hear that, you know, these young heroes, you know, they go to the Gulf and they go to all these countries there, and all these rich Arabs with the weird and strange fetishes. They have many takers among these rich Arabs.
It's a whole new Dubai shopping festival.
I have no idea about that, but I do know that the Bhais go to Dubai or wherever else.
But have you personally also, are you aware of such actors, actresses?
There's this starlet, she's again trying to become an item girl right now. And, she'd said in one of her interviews in a film magazine that, if it's for money, I don't mind sleeping with an older man and something like that. And I was pretty shocked that she was saying it so openly. And her benefactor is this rich guy from Bangalore, and then she has one or two people here, and she's very beautiful. Unfortunately, उनकी एक ही film release हुई, वो भी पिट गई. But I did meet her at a filmy wedding, at a star wedding, and she was talking to me, and she says, where do you think I'm going wrong? Because I am beautiful, I am young, and in spite of that, why is my career not taking off? So I very straightforwardly told her on her face, I said, you have to stop hanging around and doing all the things you're doing with all those old men for money. Even if you have to still do it with a younger man. And guess what she told me? She says, that's great advice, I'm going to take it.
Oh my God, Simi.
So I don't think it can get more real than that.
God, it's shocking. Let's move to the next topic.